Want a sharp, chiseled jawline? Mewing was the biggest facial aesthetics trend in the past decade, but in 2025, does it actually work, or is it a complete waste of time? Some people swear by it, while others claim it's just hype. Today, I'll reveal the truth about mewing in 2025, the biggest mistakes that are ruining your results, and how you can actually get a more defined jawline. Part 1. Why everyone is talking about mewing. Mewing became insanely popular thanks to Dr. Mike Mew, who introduced the idea that proper tongue posture could reshape your face over time. And let's be real, who doesn't want a sharper, more attractive jawline? But here's where things get tricky. Some people see insane transformations, while others do it for months and see nothing. Why? Because most people are doing it completely wrong. Before you waste months mewing the wrong way, let me expose the 3 biggest mistakes that are killing your results right now and how to fix them. Mistake 1, you're doing it wrong. Part 2, the 3 biggest mewing mistakes that are ruining your jawline. Mistake 1, bad tongue posture. Mewing isn't just about shoving your tongue against your teeth. If you're only pressing the tip of your tongue up, you're doing it wrong. To actually get results, your whole tongue, not just the tip, needs to be firmly placed against the roof of your mouth. Here's a simple test. Say the word sing, feel where your tongue is, that's where it should be. Now let's talk about the second mistake that stops people from seeing results. Mistake 2, expecting instant results. Mistake 2, expecting instant results. Look, mewing isn't a magic trick. If you're expecting to wake up with a sharper jawline overnight, you're in for a reality check. Mewing works, but it takes time. The most noticeable changes happen between 6 months to 2 years, but there are ways to speed up the process, and I'll share those in just a second. But first, let's talk about the third mistake that's ruining your results. Mistake 3, forgetting about facial posture. Even if you mew correctly, bad posture can completely ruin your results. If your head is tilted forward or your spine is misaligned, your jawline won't develop properly. Keep your chin slightly tucked in. Align your ears with your shoulders. Make sure your neck isn't strained when mewing. Fixing your posture alone can make your jawline look instantly sharper. Part 3, the fastest way to see a jawline glow up in 2025. Step 1, master the correct tongue posture. Practice getting your entire tongue on the roof of your mouth and keeping it there throughout the day. Step 2, combine mewing with jaw exercises. Add jawline workouts like tongue presses, chin tucks, and chewing hard foods to speed up results. Step 3, fix your posture and diet. Eliminate soft foods and focus on chewing harder foods to strengthen your jaw muscles. Plus, cutting down on sodium helps reduce face bloating, making your jawline pop. Bonus tip, the one hack that speeds up results. Want to take your results to the next level? Here's a bonus tip. Mewing plus low body fat equals insane jawline definition. No matter how much you mew, if you have a high body fat percentage, your jawline won't show. So if you really want a movie star jawline, start mewing and focus on lowering your body fat to around 10-15%. Now that you know the truth about mewing in 2025, are you ready to start? Comment jawline if you're serious about this challenge, and I'll reply to your questions.